How much does it cost to file a civil suit, and when should you? Civil lawsuits are when a plaintiff claims that another party has failed to live up to a legal duty or obligation, and that it has caused the plaintiff significant distress or harm. They can be your only solution when you've been wronged outside the scope of the criminal justice system. If prosecutors or police won't or can't get involved, civil lawsuits might be your only recourse. Moving forward with a civil suit warrants careful consideration. Not only can they be very expensive, but filing a civil suit rashly generally won't end well. You need to make sure that you have good cause to move forward, and that a lawyer will even take your case in the first place. Civil lawsuit costs. How costs are determined. One thing to understand about filing a civil lawsuit is that it very well may end up costing you money, or at least significantly reduce the amount that you win. While most people understand that you will have to pay the attorney for his or her time, there are several other costs to take into account. Attorney fees for a civil lawsuit. However, the biggest cost of a lawsuit is usually attorney's fees. Under the American rule, each side is responsible for paying for their own attorney. There are some exceptions, but generally it depends on the state you live in. Court costs for civil suits. In civil lawsuits, costs are often covered by the losing side. So if you are a plaintiff in a successful lawsuit, your costs will be covered by the defendant. Keep in mind, however, that some states put a limit on how much the losing side is required to cover. So ask your attorney for an estimate of what you'll be held responsible for before you decide if filing is worth it for you. Thanks for watching our video. Learn more about this topic, fiscaltiger.com.